Jesus, Good Shepherd, hear us. For the whole Church, may she be blessed with many holy and generous priests and religious and consecrated men and women, whose example inspires the faithful and leads them closer to God. Let us pray. Jesus, Good Shepherd, hear us. For the Holy Father, our bishops and priests, may they be a living sign of God's patience, tender care, and faithful love for all His people. Let us pray. Jesus, Good Shepherd, hear us. For all parents, teachers, and civil authorities, may they remain faithful to their mission of guiding and serving the good of those entrusted to their care. Let us pray. Jesus, Good Shepherd, hear us. For vocation promoters and all who serve in formation houses, may their prayers and efforts bring to the Church the faithful young shepherds she needs. Let us pray. Jesus, Good Shepherd, hear us.